ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धेर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै।
శివాని
ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। So we will continue from where we left. Do you remember the last class we completed up to the Abhyasa number 15? The book Rashtriya Samskrita Samsthan. That that book. The book I divided into 50 pages. There's about some 500 pages. So this is the second 50. Page number 51 to 100. I sent, I think, already this to the group. So in this book, exercise number 15 we did in the last class. Now, Abhyasaha 16. See, you may ask, why should we do all this? This is only language, no grammar in this. We want to learn those, we learn spoken Sanskritam. Having learned grammar only, your learning is not complete. You should be able to speak in Sanskritam, write on your own. Then for translations, well, language development, it's important. So it is involves a lot of abhyasa, practice. Taking one sentence and the same sentence we do for all the vachanams. If Kriya Padam is there, fine. If Kriya Padam is not there, we supply Kriya Padam, all these things. Okay. Fine. So we will do, each one of you we will read. So that here nothing is there to teach. So we just practicing them. Uttaranugunam prashnavakyani likhantu. What does it mean?
write the question for the given answer.
Yes. Uttara anugunam, uttaragunam. Two words are there in fact. Uttaram is answer. Uttara anugunam, in keeping with the answer. Prashnavakyani, prashna and vakya, two words. Becomes a compound. Prashnanam vakyani, vakyani likhantu lot lakara. So, write the Question, write the Uttaranugunam, keeping with the answer, write the question. Okay, for example, first one. Etat Relayanam. Therefore, the question must be
एतत् किमस्ति
एतत् किम्
Etat kim asti.
किम् अस्ति
Okay, kim asti. Tat sthanakam.
तत् किम्
Sthanakam. What is sthanakam?
स्थान is place, स्थानकम is
Station.
station.
Sthanakam is station. Yeshah Sudha Khandaha.
एषः कः
Yeshah
Yeshah.
Daha.
Ah,
Sudha is white. Khanda is piece, chalk piece. White piece is what? Chalk piece. Sa Janani.
सा का
सा
ई
Saha Janakaha.
सः कः
सः जनकः
Esha Agraja.
एषः
एषः
कः
अग्रजा
Tat Jalam.
तत् किम्
किम्
सा का सावित्री
Sa Putri.
सा का
Okay. Each sentence you yourself take and do in your leisure. So now I take the sentence for example. Ete ke. What will be the answer?
एते सुधाखण्ड
खण्डाः ओ
एते
एते
सुधा
एते
खण्डाः।
शिरखण्ड खण्डाः एते
खण्डाः
Ethe Sudha Khandaha. Ete Sudha Khandaha Santi or Bhavanti.
ओके
Okay. Again, same. Ete ke for Esha Agraja.
अग्रजे
एते
एते अग्रजे
Ete
Agraja.
Agraje
Aha.
Staha. Right?
सः
So just read what is there, but in your leisure, just have the book with open and then or a PDF, whatever it is. Practice for all the Vachanam. Etate Relayanam, Ete Relayane, Etani Relayanani, Tatu Sthanakam, Te Sthanake, Tani Sthanani, Yesha Sudha Kandaha, Eto Sudha Kande, then Ete Sudha
ते
Kandaha,
खण्डाः
Ta Janani, Te
ते जन
Jananyau, Te Taha
ताः
Jananyaha,
जनन्यः
Saha Janakaha,
जनन्यः जनन्यः
Tau
तौ जनकौ
Complete.
जनक्यः
जनकाः
Similarly, Yesha Agraja,
एते अग्रजे
एषः
एताः अग्रजाः
Eta Agraja, Tat Palam,
ते
Jalam,
जले
अग्रजाः
तानि जलानि
Sa Putri,
सा पुत्री ते
ते ताः
Putreu,
and ताः पुत्र्याः
पुत्र्यः
Putryaha, not Putryaha.
पुत्र्यः
पुत्रः
Abhyasah 17. Riktasthanani purayantu. Riktasthanani vakye, अस्मिन् वाक्ये रिक्तस्थानम् अस्ति रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयन्तु एषः
कः
डैश् एषः
कः
किम् एषः कः
एषः
पुत्रः
पुत्रः
एते के
तत् मन्दिरं
ते
No, you answer to the question what I'm asking. Okay. एते
एते
के
पुत्रे
एते पुत्र
पुत्रौ अय
तौ
पुत्राः
एते
पुत्राः
पुत्राः
एते पुत्राः
I asked बहुवचनं एते पुत्राः not तौ
सन्ति
right think and answer
yes ते पुत्राः
तत् dash answer dash मन्दिरं
तत् किं तत् मन्दिरं
मन्दिरं
तत् मन्दिरं
तानि
अस्ति
why एतानि
बहुवचनं ऐसे
तानि मन्दिराणि
तानि
only answer
मन्दिराणि
what is asked don't only one person at a time everybody
right.
talks in one tat
Yes.
dash mandiram who wants to answer here Chitraji what is the answer tat dash mandiram
तत् मन्दिरं
tat dash mandiram okay you have to answer ask question also and then answer Okay,
kim?
next person,
తత్
Indraji.
మందిరం ఇంటర్నెట్ కనెక్షన్ అయ్యో
Tat kim?
Hmm.
Tat mandiram.
Tat kim tat mandiram. Tani kani.
Tani kani, tani mandirani.
You don't have to repeat the question, only the answer.
Okay.
Repeating the question, you take time to find out the answer.
Okay.
Saying that's very good. Next person, Yesha dash dash Durga, Prakash ji.
एषा का
Hmm.
एषा दुर्गा
Yesha Durga. Etaha Durgaha. What will be the question?
एताः दुर्गा एताः काः
Etaha Kaha.
का के काः
Etaha Kaha.
काः
What are this? Etaha Durgaha. Navadurgaha. So many Durgas are there. Number 4. Yesha dash dash kaha. Yeshaha Javaharaha. Savitri ji.
एषः कः एषः जवाहरः जवाहरः
Ah.
जवाहरः
Javaharaha. Yeah. Etau kau.
एषः एतौ जवाहरौ
Javaharau staha.
स्तः
Dash kim etat kanitram. Simple
కెన్ ఐ
sentence.
ఆన్సర్
Yes, please do.
శరణ్జీ సంథింగ్
Hmm.
హ్యాపెండ్ విత్ మై కనెక్షన్
Okay, yeah.
ఏతత్ 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 కిమ్ ఏతత్ కనిత్రం
Etat kanitram. Suppose ete kanitre. What will be the question?
తే కే
Why etat is that? Why te?
ఏతే కే
Ete ke.
కే
Next person. Dash. Okay. Next person Indraji. Dash ka dash lata. Your choice.
Esha ka.
Hmm.
It can be sa ka also.
Your choice.
Sharanji.
Yes. Your choice.
Esha ka, Esha lata.
Yesha lata. Sahad dash dash anujaha.
सः कः
Saha kaha. Saha kaha.
सः कः
Anjaha.
सः
Saha anujaha. Right.
तौ
Tau anujau. What will be the question? You answer.
Tau.
Shambhi.
तौ कौ
Tau kau. Prakash ji. Sa Sita is, what is the question? Number 8.
सा सीता सा का
Saka. Yesha Indira. Savitri ji.
एषा का
एषः का
Yesha ka. Dash kim. Tat vyajanam.
Tat kim.
Tat kim. Okay. So this must be much easier for us. But practice. Don't take it for granted. Problem is our spoken language starts with these basic things. Yeshaha yeto yete yesha yete etaha kake kaha kinke kani kalkoke, all those things. So that we must be familiar. Now, Chitraji, you answer. You just read the first one. Ask question, no? You have to ask question. Question as well as you can answer.
Okay.
The first one is given. Ballu kaha.
ఏషः కः ఏషः బల్లూకः
What is ballu kaha?
కరడి
Ah, yes.
బేర్
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Continue. Chitraji.
ఓకే ఏషా కా ఏషా మాలా धीवरः एषः कः एषः धीवरः द्रोणी एषा का एषा द्रोणी युतकम् एतत् एतत् किम् एतत् युतकम् दाडिमम् ओके एतत् किम् एतत् दाडिमम्
Okay. It's okay. Next
एषा
person.
का
Okay, next person. Indra, you do it on the right side.
Esha ka, Esha devata. Esha ka, Esha Agni,
Ankani.
Ankani, sorry. One minute.
Agni
Pencil,
is Ikaranta pulling Shabd.
Yes.
Ankani
Yes.
is pencil.
Pencil, yes. This is Ankani from the Dhatu Ank. There is a Dhatu Ank. So Ank is a Dhatu. So
Okay.
like the first conjugation, like we saw Patta Dhatu, etc. Similarly, Anka Dhatu. The Atmanepadi. So what will be the form?
Ankane,
No. Atmanepadi Dhatu, Anka Dhatu.
Ankane, Ankene.
Not
Ankane.
why
No.
Ankane?
This is
If the
Dhatu.
ne is there, ne is something special.
No.
Sarvadhatu ka pratyaya.
Uh,
Come on, huh? Where is ne? Ankane, anke ne ne, anke ne ne ne. Huh? What is this? Huh? Ne is something special. Sarvadhatu ka pratyaya. Which language in that? Huh?
Ankata. Is it
Ankate, ankete, ankante.
Oh, okay.
Atmanepadi dhatu. Labate,
Yes,
labete, labante.
Correct.
Where is ankane comes?
Sorry, sir. Ankate.
Ankate, ankete,
Anka.
ankante. Saha ankate. He marks.
Kate.
He marking. Ankana
Ankate.
is this marking.
Marking.
Or anka also means mark. M-A-R-K. How much marks you have scored in the accent? Kati ankani, you can say praptani. Taya. How many marks you have scored in the exam? Parikshayam kati ankani praptani. Possible. That is also. Anka is mark. Ankani is pencil. Okay. Next one. Continue.
Eshaha kaha. Eshaha vidushakaha. Esha ka. Esha darvi. Esha ka. Esha goshala. Esha ka. Esha adhyapika.
Adhyapika. Okay.
What is Darvi?
Darvi is ladle.
Ladder, correct.
Okay. Now, Savitriji, you can do the same thing. We use Dvivachanam for all this.
Okay.
The entire thing Dvivachanam. Ask question and answer. Supply
Etau-
Kriya Padam also.
Okay. Etau kau staha. Etau pallukau staha. Ete ke staha. Ete male staha. Etau kau staha. Etau divarau staha. Ete ke ete ke staha. Ete draumyau staha.
Very good.
Ete ke staha. Ete pustake staha.
Yuttake. Okay.
Ete ke staha. Ete darime staha. I do the other ones.
Next, anyone wants to do? Sambhaji, you do.
Yes, I can go.
Right side.
Yes, Bhalluka. Okay. Ete kaha. Sorry, ete ke. So this will be ete bhallukaha
No.
santi.
Yeah, you do same Dvivachanam for the right side.
Sorry.
These words.
Okay. I'm sorry. Eto kau. So that would be eto devate.
Devata is Srilinga. How can be Eto?
Sorry.
Is there any Eto Srilinga?
No, I'm sorry. Ete. It will be ete. Ete ke. So ete devate stha. Then second is ankani. Again, ete ke. Ete nadi. Ankanyo.
Ankanyau.
Ankanyo stha. Then vidushakaha.
Aha.
Stha. And then next is vidushakaha. So this will be etau kau. So etau vidushakau stha. Darvi.
Staha, I'm not hearing the visarga. Staha.
Stha. Okay.
Yes.
Then Darvi. Ete darvayo darvayo
No.
darvayo stha.
No,
Nadi
that
nadi
the yo is not there.
Darvi nadi
Eto
shabd.
is wrong also. It is Srilinga.
Okay. Ete. I'm so sorry. Ete ke. So ete darvyo
Darvyau.
darvyau stha.
Nadyau.
Nadyau.
Darvyau staha.
Darvyau stha. Then is Goshala. E ete ke. So ete ke. Ete Goshale stha. Adhyapika. Ete ke. Ete Adhyapika stha.
Adhyapike.
Sorry, Adhyapike stha.
Yes. Prakashji, you can do Bhagavachanam of the words which are in the left hand side. Ask question and then answer.
Ete kaha.
Ete kaha doesn't exist. It's not ete kaha.
Etaha.
Ramo Ramaha.
Ballu kaha is Pullinga.
Ramo Rama.
Etaha.
Etaha Srilinga. Ete ke. Eshaha eto ete. Kaha
Okay, sorry.
kau ke. Pullinga it is.
Ete ballu santi.
Ete ballu kaha santi. Ete ke. Ete
Santi.
ballu kaha santi.
Etaha kaha.
Hmm.
Etaha
Hmm.
Mala.
Malaha santi.
Malaha santi. Dhiraha. Ete ke. Kaha.
Ete ke only is Pullinga, not kaha. K for Pullinga Bhagavachanam. Ka is Srilinga Bhagavachanam. Why do you get confused this both? You are doing Bhagavachanam.
Getting it. Yes.
If you are confused, have the document, paper, Shabda with you.
Ete Dira.
Divaraha, Ramaha, Divaraha.
Diraha.
Ete ke, ete Divaraha.
Etaha ka. Etaha
Etaha kaha, not ka. Kaha.
Etaha ka. Etaha Dronyaha.
Dronyaha, yes.
Etani kani. Etani pustakani.
Okay, Yutakani. There's no Pustakam, Yutakam. Fine.
Pustakani. Etani kani. Etani
Dadimani.
Dadimari.
Yes. Okay, that's it. Savitri, you do the right side, Bhagavachanam.
Okay. Etaha kaha, etaha devataha. Etaha kaha, etaha ankanyaha. Ete ke, ete vidushakaha. Etaha kaha, etaha darvyaha.
Darvyaha, yes.
Etaha kaha, etaha Gaushalaha. Etaha kaha, etaha Adhyapikaha. Kaha.
Yes. Chitraji,
Okay.
you do singular for all these words that are written on the left hand side.
Sa Dvichakrika.
Ask question and then answer.
Okay. Sa Dvichakrika.
Hmm.
Harinaha. Harinaha என்ன வரும்?
You only said grammar is difficult, language is better, easy. No, do it.
Yeah, yes. Now grammar also is there. Harinaha. I can't escape this grammar. Yes. What is Harinaha?
Harinaha is the Pullinga only. What doubt? Harinaha is a deer.
Okay. Saha Harinaha. Harin.
Saha kaha saha harinaha.
Saha kaha saha karinaha. Karkati. Sa karkati. Sa ka sa karkati. And Rupaha.
What is karkati?
I don't know. Karkati. I
Anyone?
remember. I have heard this. But
Remember? What remember?
Karkati. I have heard
Oh,
this
okay,
word,
okay.
but I don't remember the meaning actually.
Karkati is cucumber.
Cucumber. Okay, right. Saha kaha saha nrupaha punaha punaf purani. Punaf purani na என்னது?
Refiller.
Sa punaf pur sa ka sa punaf purani vanaraha. Saha kaha saha vanaraha.
If I ask you to do Sandhi, then what will happen? Saha vanaraha asti. You have to think and tell quickly. How do you say it? What Sandhi?
Saha aha vanaraha. Avarna followed by hush.
Adalla irukattum. Adalla you do whatever you do it. Tell me the answer.
Okay. Solunga.
Saha vanaraha asti.
Saha vanaraha asti. Okay. What should I do?
Sandhi. All three words are there. So do Sandhi and then give the sentence.
Oh. Sa vanaraha vanarosti.
Very good. Savanarosti. Savanarosti.
Okay.
Savanarosti. It will be like that.
Visarga dropped and
Yes.
Utva Guna and Vanarosti.
Saha vanaraha saha visarga is dropped. Vanaraha
Okay.
plus asti vanarosti.
Vanarosti.
Savanarosti.
Purvaru.
Suppose a word sentence is like the Savanarosti. You will see the dictionary. What is Savanaro? That is not Savanaro. Savanara. It is. Okay. So if we can do like that, then we won't miss anything. You'll be able to split any sentence because the space and all also, it's not there. In manuscript, you won't see space between the words. Okay, next person. Shambhav, you can do on the left, right side, singular.
Singular. Okay.
Anyway,
Tata
plural
kim.
comes later. We do singular and then quickly go through. But whenever you get time, do all the vachanam with the kriya padam. Yes.
Tat kim asti. Tat Krishna. What is Krishna phalakam asti? What is Krishna phalakam?
Blackboard.
Blackboard. Okay. And Samarjani. Sa ka asti. Sa Samarjani asti. Then Amra vrikshaha. Sah kah asti. Sa Amra vrikshosti.
Yes.
Then Sopanam. Tat kim. Tat sopanam asti. Sah kah asti. Sa adhyapako asti.
Yes.
Vatayanam.
Saha
Tata kim.
adhyapaka also Sandhi will happen. Sodhyapakosthi.
Sodhyapako asti.
Yes.
That is so. Sa visarga will not drop.
Because followed by a. Yes.
Yeah.
Then tata kim asti. Tata Vatayanam asti.
Tattva vatayanam asti.
What is Vatayanam?
This is the exercise we have done. If you have, see, we know all the shabdas. If we don't know shabda, this is the right time. We have to know it. At least, no. Make yourself ready for it. All the shabda, Rama shabda, Hari Guru, everything. Okay. Next person. Indraji, you can read. Ask Kaha Rajaha. I mean, Kaha Kauke is just read instead of. We'll quickly go through. Okay. Indira ji, is that? Your mic is on mute.
You want me to just read it or?
Yeah,
Ask
just
the
read and,
question.
not required because the questions already we have done and some more will come
Okay.
later. Just read. If you understand, it's okay.
Kahaka, okay.
Hmm.
Gajaha, Gajau, Gajaha,
Hmm.
Ashwaha, Ashwau, Ashwaha, Chatraha, Chatrau, Chatraha,
Now onwards you do it.
Adhyapakaha, Adhyapakau,
Hmm.
Adhyapakaha, Adhyapakaha,
You can supply pronoun your choice. Okay, any pronoun from here onwards. Do it.
okay. Saha Mayuraha, Saha Taute, Tau Mayurau, Te Mayure, Mayuraha,
Mayuraha.
Mayuraha, Saha Vrikshaha, Tau Vrikshau, Te Vrikshaha, Saha Vanaraha, Tau Vanarau, Te Vanaraha, Surpaha. Okay.
Surpaha.
Saha Surpaha, Tau Surpau, Te Surpaha,
Hmm.
Saha Bakaha, Tau Bakau,
Hmm.
Te Bakaha, Saha Balukaha, Tau
Ballukaha.
Balukau. Sorry,
Ballukaha, right?
Balukaha, pulling or
Ballukaha,
string?
not Ballukaha. Ballukaha, Dirgha.
Oh, okay. Got it. Saha Balukaha, Tau Balukau, Te Balukaha.
Yes. Next person. Prakash, you can do. Only singular and dual.
एषः कः
Not required. Just a singular and dual alone is enough. Just read, that's enough.
गजः
Hello.
गजौ
Hmm.
tell sir. Hello,
Yeah, please.
am I audible?
Yes, audible.
गजः गजौ
Yes.
uh,
Ashvaha, Ashva, like that you can do. Come on, quickly.
okay. अश्वः अश्वौ बल्लुकः
Hmm.
बल्लुकौ मयूरः मयूरौ. I'm not getting the screen. Parrot, what is it? What do you say for parrot?
Shuka.
Hello?
Shuka, Shuka.
Shukah, Shukau.
Hmm.
Then this two, another two.
That is sparrow. What is the word for sparrow? Huh? Chashaka. Sorry, Chatakaha.
Chashakaha.
Chataka, not Chashaka. Chashaka is tumbler,
Food.
glass.
Yes. Chatakaha. Is monkey. Vanaraha, Vanarau. Mushika, Mushikaha, Mushikau.
Hmm.
Kakaha, Kakau.
That is not Kaka. That is Pura. It's a pigeon. What is that word for pigeon? Kapotaha.
Kapotaha.
Hmm.
Kapotau. Minaha. Mino.
Yes. Minaha, Mino. It's all very simple. Right?
Yeah. Okay.
Next one.
Suddenly we
Savitri.
don't.
You can do. No. All
Mrigaha,
these are respect. Yeah.
Mrigaha. This is what's for cats?
What is a cat? Huh? Marjaraha.
मार्जारः मार्जारः मार्जाराः बकः
Hmm.
बकाः
Postman.
postman is
Hmm.
Postman and
What's the next one?
I don't know.
Bakaha.
Bakah I told. Bakah bakaah.
Postman,
Next
postman.
one. Postman.
Bharava. This Patravagaha.
Patravahah.
Patravagaha.
Patravahah. Patravahah. And
Yala.
next one.
Suchik.
Suchikaha.
Suchika.
Huh?
Sauchikaha.
Sauchikaha. Okay. Sauchikaha. Sauchikaha.
Hmm.
And this is Vyagraha. va?
Vyadaha.
Vyadaha.
Vocabulary. See, this is right place, right? Okay, develop vocabulary also. Vyadaha is under. Vyadaha.
Vyagaha.
Vyadaha, not Vyagaha.
Vyadaha.
Vyadaha.
Vyadaha. Okay.
Yes.
Vyadaha. Vyadaha.
Yes.
Gataha. Gataha.
Hmm.
போட்டிருக்கேன்.
Kachapaha. Kachapaha.
Yes.
Sarpaha. Sarpaha. Kapotaha. Kapotaha.
Okay.
Yes. Similarly, here question and answer. Already we have done the same thing, Abhyasa. Okay. Shamaji, you can do.
एषः कः एषः सिंहः एतौ कौ
Balakaha. You can read that and then do. Yes.
ओके एषः कः एषः बालकः एतौ कौ एतौ बालकौ एते के एते बालकाः एषः कः एषः सिंहः एतौ कौ
Simhaha.
सिंहः
Simhaha. Simhaha. No, not. Simhaha. Okay.
एतौ कौ एतौ सिंहौ एते के एते सिंहाः
Simhaha.
She's like me.
Hmm.
एषः मयूरः एतौ कौ एतौ मयूरौ एते के एते मयूराः एषः कः एषः शुकः एतौ कौ एतौ शुकौ एते के एषा शुकाः
Ete.
Ete
एषः
Shukaha.
एते शुकाः एषः कः एषः बकः एतौ कौ एतौ बकौ एते के न के बकाः
Ete Bakaha. You don't have to read so fast. You can little slow. Okay, now. Chitraji.
Okay.
You can skip the question. Just fill up the blank. So now.
एषः बालकः एतौ बालकौ एते बालकाः एषः वानरः एतौ वानरौ एते वानराः
Very good.
एषः वृक्षः एतौ वानरौ एते
Why is why Vanara? Vriksha becomes Vanara. Vriksha Vanara.
एषः वृक्षः एतौ वृक्षौ एते वृक्षाः एषः सिंहः एतौ सिंहौ एते सिंहाः एषः शशकः एतौ शशकौ एते शशकाः
What is Shashaka?
शशक कप् tumbler
Kappa.
Rabbits.
What cup?
शशक
That is Chashaka. This is Shashaka.
okay
Chashaka, Shashaka, both are different. This is rabbit.
it is okay
That Cha. This is Sha.
okay sir yes thank you sir
Hmm.
एषः मयूरः एतौ मयूरौ एते मयूराः एषः हंसः एतौ हंसौ एते हंसाः एषः शुकः एतौ शुकौ एते शुकाः एषः बकः एतौ बकौ एते बकाः
Eshaha Bakaha. How do you, what Sandhi?
same thing visarga dropped
Very good. Okay, very good.
कच्छपः एषः कच्छपः
Tortoise.
एतौ कच्छपौ yes we just know एते कच्छपाः एषः मृगः एतौ मृगौ एते मृगाः
Yes. Next one. Prakashji, easy one. Now Srilinga. We have done Pullinga. So up to some 150 or 200 pages will be simple. It's simple, but you should not struggle. It's simple. You can easily read, quickly read. All dealing with only simple Saranama Shabda, Pratama Bhakti and Pullinga, Srilinga, Akaranta, Akaranta, Ikaranta, Ikaranta. That's it. Okay. Prakash ji, please read. The mic is in mute.
Aja, Ajay, Ajaha.
Hmm. Yes.
Lata, Late, Lataha.
Hmm.
Mala, Male, Malaha.
Hmm.
Kokila,
Not Kokila, Kalika.
Kalika, Kalike, Kalikaha.
Kalikaha.
Makshika.
Makshika,
Hmm.
Makshika, Makshikaha. Piplika, Piplike, Piplikaha.
Pīlika.
Chatra, Chatre, Chatraha. Adhyapaka, Adhyapika, Adhyapike, Adhyapaka, Adhyapika. Petika, Petike, Petikaha. Patrika, Patrike, Patrikaha.
In fact, you have to ask question and do. Anyway, it's okay. Savitri ji, you do.
Oh,
Ask question and then answer also. Savitri ji.
Okay. Kasa,
Yesha, we can use. Yesha, I was about to tell. Okay. You want to say Sa? Please do it. Your choice.
okay. Saka, Sa, Nartiki.
Nartaki.
Sorry, Nartaki.
This is from the dhatu, nirta dhatu. Nrityati means dances. She dances. Sa nrityati.
Nartyati.
Sa ka, sa nartaki. Nartaki nrityati. Slowly the Kriya Padam will come. Anyway, we have started learning.
Nartyati.
But in this book, it will come later. Yes.
Okay. Kete, ke, nartyakyau.
Nartakyau.
Nartakyau. Nartakyau.
Hmm.
Kahate, kahataha, kaha nartakyaha.
Yes.
Sorry, taha nartakyaha.
Yes.
Saka, sa nari, ke, te, te nartak, naryau,
Hmm.
taha, taha kaha, taha nartakyaha, nartakyaha.
Naryaha.
Oh, naryaha, sorry.
You are holding on to Nartaki still.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. Saka, sa gati, te ke, te gatyau, taha kaha, taha gatyaha.
Yes.
Bhikshuki, saka, sa bhikshuki, te ke, te bhikshukyau,
Very good.
taha kaha, taha bhikshukyaha.
Yes. Indiraji. You can use your choice. Sa or Esha.
Okay. Esha ka, Esha kartari, Esha ete ke, ete kartaryau, etaha kaha, etaha kartaryah. Esha ka, Esha chalani, ete ke, ete chalinyau, etaha kaha, etaha chalanyah. Esha ka, Esha lekani, Esha ete ke, ete lekanyau, etaha kaha, etaha lekanyah. एषा का एषा अङ्कनी एते के एते अङ्कन्यौ एताः काः एताः अङ्कन्यः एषा का एषा नदी एते के एते नद्यौ एताः काः एताः नद्यः
No, Chitraji, simple one. Just singular and dual. Srilinga. Ikaranta Shabda.
Kaha,
No, just a lekani. It's enough.
lekani, lekanyau.
You want to do with the pronoun? Can do. Your choice if you can do it.
Ka lekani, ke lekanyau. Ka,
Ka lekani. Te
ke
lekanyau.
lekanyau. This
Not
one
ke,
is
te.
opposite.
You don't have to ask question. Just you can use a pronoun sa, Esha or Sa and then do it.
Now, the second one, what is it called? I
Ah,
don't know the name.
you have to tell that. You have to tell
Negil.
that. You have to tell.
Sharanji, I don't know the name.
Suchi.
Suchi, yes. Suchi, yes. Ka
Henceforth,
Suchi.
you use only Sanskrita name when you refer to any household items. Don't use English or Tamil.
But nobody can answer me back.
No, you
I-
ask yourself.
but-
Nobody need to answer. You ask yourself. What is the
Okay.
Sanskrit word for this? Think.
Then we'll be taken
Suppose
for something
if
else
you
like a
come-
mental patient.
No, you ask yourself and then answer. Whether you know it or not, you just see. Table, desk, light, or lamp, or pen, pencil, TV, mobile phone, a window, door, everything. Just each one item you take. Just see. You ask me. The group you ask what is the name for the charger. That also name is there. Electric charger, everything. So it will develop. This is
Sa,
Suchi.
Sa ka sa Suchi. Te
Yeah,
ke.
Ka you don't have to use directly. You can tell Sa Suchi, Te Suchyo, like that. It's enough. Yeah, please do it.
Sa Suchi. Te Suchyo. A pencil. Lekani. Lekani is pen. Pencil.
Yeah,
what is it
Ankani.
called? Ankani. Okay. Sa Ankani. Te Ankanyau. Sa. Kathikku ennada adu?
What is the word, Katti? Kitchen lab, a lot of items are there for you to find out and tell. Huh?
Katti.
Churika.
Surika, yes, I know. Sa Surika, Te Surikau,
Not Surika, Churika.
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 Yeah, Churika, Te Churikau. This is
Choose Dirgava, Churika.
Churika.
Not Dirga.
Raswa.
It is Chu.
Churika.
This what is it called?
Churika. Makshika, just now we saw.
Makshika, yes.
Sika, Rakhuj.
Right? This
Sa
is Churika.
Makshika, Te Makshikyau.
Te Makshikyo, no Makshike. Makshika is A. What can be Makshikyo? Huh? Makshikyo is
Pullinga.
there is no Makshikyo. There is no Makshika, Makshike only.
Sa Petika, Te Petike, Sa Aja,
Aja.
Te Ajaha, Sa
Ajay.
Mala,
Not Ajaha. Sa Aja. Te Aja. ரெண்டு இருக்கு. எப்படி அஜாக வரும்? Ajay.
Ajay, Sa Mala, Te Male, Sa Balika, Te Balike, Sa Kalikama.
Kalika.
Kalika, Sa Kalika, Te Kalike.
Okay.
Ka.
Next person. Prakash ji. Simple one. Akaranta. It's been Srilinga Shabda. Vaidyaha is there. Similarly, Marjani, Marjanyaha. What about this? Plate, eating plate.
Tadi.
Which one, sir?
Yes, thali.
Somebody is answering.
Thali.
Thali.
Thalyah.
Talika.
Thali.
Thali, thalyaha, yes.
Talika.
Thalyah.
Hmm.
Dvichakra.
Not chakra.
Chakrika.
Chakrika.
Chakrika. Chakrika. Dvichakrikaha.
Chakrikaha. Okay.
Then Griha Godika.
Griha Godika, yes. Yes. I taught you all this before,
Griha?
in fact.
Yeah.
Griha Godika.
Griha?
Griha Godika.
Grihadodikaha.
Yes.
Lady, yeah, what is the
Mahila.
woman?
Three.
Mahila, Mahilaha.
Yes.
Suchyaha.
Suchyaha, not Suchi.
Suchyaha.
Suchyaha. Next one.
This,
Velani.
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 Order. Yes.
Write it. What is Melani?
Melani.
Huh?
Melani.
Hold on. One minute. Prakash. Yeah. What is that?
Can you write that?
Me-
What I couldn't.
Hold on, Prakash. 1 minute. Velani.
Melani.
Yeah.
This is Velani. I think it came before. This is Velani. Right?
Melani.
Velani.
Velani.
Hmm.
Velanyaha.
Hmm.
இது பேலன்ஸ் transfer.
துலா துலாபாரம் இது நமக்கு தெரியுமே
துலா.
தமிழ்ல பாத்துக்கோம்ல கோயில் எல்லாம்
அதான்
Same
துலார
Same
துலா
thing.
துலா துலா துலா
துலாஹா
துலாஹ.
ரமாஹா ரமா சப்த you must be
Tula.
knowing.
ஓகே. நர்த்தக்யா
நர்த்தகி.
நர்த்தகி நர்த்தக்யா.
Yes. Next one, Savitri. I think Indraji, I think this out. Okay, Indraji, you do it. And then Savitri.
Esha ka, esha vriddha, ete
See,
ke.
this practice, how much ever you do, it's good actually. Even if you learn Sanskritam, I mean advanced Sandhi Hindi, this is important. This fluency should come. You should be able to think immediately, no, you're not taking any pause time.
Yes.
That is practice, good. Please do. The class, we have only limited time, we can do. That's why we are doing in this class. We are not doing that class. That class, we're doing Sandhi and little advanced, no? Not advanced, it's grammar. A lot of things are there. You have to use your head too much. Here it is not. It's just the abhyasa. Practice. Yeah, please do Indraji.
Ete ke, ete vriddhe, etaha kaha, etaha vriddhaha. Esha ka, esha aja, ete ke, ete aje, etaha kaha, etaha ajaha.
I think all these things in my notes, once we did, I think, remember?
I think,
Yes,
yeah, we did. Long ago
Yes,
we
we
did.
did.
Yeah, long ago. This is, remember all these things? You're done.
Yes.
All the practice, remember?
Definitely. We
Yes,
did.
we did.
All this once upon a time, long back. Translations, everything he did.
Yes, Sharanji.
Yeah. The same thing here now in this begin. So it should not be difficult.
Yes.
Yeah, please do.
Esha ka, esha balika, ete ke, ete balike, etaha kaha, etaha balikaha. Esha ka, esha chatra, ete ke, ete chatre, etaha kaha, etaha chatraha.
Yes.
Esha ka, esha janani, ete ke, ete jananyau, etaha kaha, etaha jananyah. Esha ka, esha putri, ete ke, ete putriyah, putriyau, etaha kaha, etaha putriyah. एषा का एषा
Putriyah,
नर्तकी
right? Putriyah
Putryaha,
or
not
Putriyah?
Putryaha only, not Putryaha. Yes.
Oh, I said putriyaha.
I don't know. I didn't hear properly. Probably she knows.
You
No.
said Putriyaha only.
Putri, no,
Putriyaha
Putriyaha,
only.
it's not Putriyaha, right? It's Putriyaha. That's what I was asking.
Putryaha, Treha. It is not
Putriyaha,
Putri.
yeah.
There is no
that's all.
E. Putryaha.
Yeah.
Like Trembakam.
Yes. एषा का एषा नर्तकी एते के एते नर्तक्यौ एताः काः एताः नर्तक्यः एषा का एषा महिषी
Magishi, not
एते के
Mahishi. Magishi.
महिषी एते के एते महिष्यौ एताः काः एताः महिष्यः.
See, this same exercise,
Yes.
this is all valid sentences. Yeshaka means Asti always is there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeshaka Asti, Yesha Magishi, Asti, Ete Kestaha, Ete Magishostaha, Etaha Kaha,
Santi.
Santi, Etaha Magishya Santi.
महिष्यः
Now, the
सन्ति.
same thing, later when we learn other karakas, vibhakti, etc., we will have more words, but can practice for when you have time. Yeshaka is there, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Etam kam, etaya kaya,
Taya.
then etasyai kasyai, etasyaha kasyaha, etasyaha kasyaha, etasyam kasyam. So like that, if we can do for all the vachanam, practicing only, it's a good one. At the
Okay.
singular I have done. Similarly, the dvivachanam, it's not easy, difficult. Eteke is there, right? Eteke, ete, K only.
महिष्य.
Eteke, not answer, not required. Okay, answer also you can do if you want. Then
Okay.
ete, etaya, kaya. Sorry, we are doing a dvivachanam, Shamitam. Huh? Yeah. Etabhyam kabhyam. Etabhyam kabhyam, etabhyam kabhyam, etabhyam kabhyam. Then etayoho kayoho.
एतयोः
Then
एनयोः
etayoho, adjects kayoho, same thing. Bhagavachanam, etaha kaha is there. Etaha kaha, then etaha, etaha
Eta ke.
kaha only, same thing only.
Eta.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay. Eta ke or ka.
Why K?
Ka.
This is
Ka ke, sorry, it's a Strilinga. Okay.
स्त्रीलिङ्ग.
Etaha kaha.
etaha kaha, etaha kaha,
Etaha
Ditya vibhakti also, Tritya will be
एताभिः
etabihi kabihi, then etabihi kabihi, etabhyah kabhyah, etabhyah kabhyah, etasam
एतासां
kasam, etasu kasu.
कासु.
It's a practice. It's a good one if it can do it for all the, but doesn't have meaning. It's okay. Singular we have meaning now. I mean, Pratama Vibhakti we have meaning, but other
Okay.
Vibhakti we don't. Meaning is not that. But if you can practice for spoken, is good for you. Anyway, I don't want to push into that now. Let's see later. Savitri, you can do. Yeshaka, just quickly. You
एषा
can.
का एषा अध्यापिका एते के एते अध्यापिके एताः काः सन्ति एताः अध्यापिकाः सन्ति
Hmm.
एषा लता अस्ति
Yeshaka,
एषा
you can do.
क्वेश्चन ओके एषा का अस्ति एषा लता अस्ति एते के स्तः एते लते स्तः एताः काः सन्ति एताः लताः सन्ति
Hmm.
एषा का एषा शाखा अस्ति
Hmm.
एते के स्तः एते शाके
Shake.
शाके स्तः एताः काः एताः शाखाः सन्ति एषा का एषा मञ्जिका अस्ति एते के एते पञ्जिके स्तः एताः काः एताः पञ्जिकाः सन्ति
Yeah, continue.
एषा का एषा माला अस्ति एते के एते माले स्तः एताः काः सन्ति एताः मालाः सन्ति एषा का एषा मक्षिका अस्ति एते के स्तः एते मक्षिके स्तः एताः काः सन्ति एताः मक्षिकाः सन्ति
Very good.
एषा पेटिका अस्ति एते के स्तः एते पेटिके स्तः एताः काः सन्ति एताः पेटिकाः सन्ति एषा पत्रिका एषा पत्रिका अस्ति एते के स्तः एते पत्रिके स्तः एताः काः सन्ति एताः पत्रिके काः सन्ति एषा चटका एषा चटका अस्ति एते के एषे चटके स्तः एताः काः सन्ति एताः चटकाः सन्ति एषा पिपीलिका अस्ति एते के स्तः एते पिपीलिके स्तः एताः काः सन्ति एताः पिपीलिकाः सन्ति
Very good. So, Chitraji, you do. Esha nati, esha grihini, ete grihinyo, etaha grihinyaha. Similarly, please read.
एषा गृहिणी एते गृहिण्यौ एताः गृहिण्यः एषा नारी एते नार्यौ
Nati is there, no? Number 1.
नटी yes एषा नटी एतौ नट्यौ
Not eto. Eto is pullinga. There is no eto in Srilinga.
sorry एते नट्यौ एताः नट्यः एषा नारी should I say this asti and all?
Not that word.
Okay. एषा नारी एते नार्यौ एताः नार्यः एषा जननी एते जनन्यौ एताः जनन्यः एषा चालिनी एते चालिन्यौ एताः चालिन्यः एषा गट्यः गटी sorry एषा गटी एते गट्यौ एताः गट्यः एषा
Okay. Hold on. Prakash, you do it from 6 to 10.
एषः
Not
कर्तरि
eshaha. Esha. Where is eshaha?
एषा कर्तरि एते कर्तर्यौ एते कर्तर्यः
Etaha kartaryaha.
एताः कर्तर्यः
Without mistake, you should read.
That's it.
There's no difficulty in that. Some matter of practice. What difficulty in that? This is, we are doing 91 class today. Huh? Beginning until we have done. Yeah.
एषा लेखनी एते लेखन्यौ एताः लेखन्यः
Yes.
एषा अङ्कनी एते अङ्कन्यौ एताः अङ्कन्यः एषा
नगरी
Nagaryaha is there.
नगरी
Therefore, what is singular?
नगर्या नगरी एषा नगरी एषा नगरी एते नगर्याः नगर्यौ एताः नगर्यः एषा वेणी एते वेण्यौ एताः वेण्यः
Indraji, you can do. Just read and then you can.
Should ask the question also?
It comes later, not required. You can just read.
Okay, just read. Okay. Vimanam, Vimane, Vimanani. Vyajanam, Vyajane, Vyajanani. Chatram, Chatre, Chatrani. Simhasanam, Simhasane, Simhasanani. Patram, Patre, Patrani. Nanakam, Nanake, Nanakani. Griham, Grihe, Gruhani. Netram, Netre, Netrani. Kamalam, Kamale, Kamalani. Vastram, Vastre, Vastrani.
Continue, please do it.
This is Vimanam.
Hmm.
Singular and plural.
Plural, yes.
Vimanam, Vimanani. Amrapalam, Amrapalani. Sorry, I missed the second one. I forgot the name. Chatram.
Chatram, yes.
Chatram, Chatrani.
Hmm.
What is
Trouser.
this?
What is the word for trouser? Anyone?
I forgot.
Huh? Urukam.
Urukam. Yes, yes.
Urukam, Urukani.
Hmm.
This is Pushpam,
Rose.
Pushpani.
Pushpani or rose. What is the word for rose? Patalam.
Patalam.
Patalam is rose.
Patalam, Patalani.
Hmm.
This fan. Oh my God.
Ah, what is the word fan? Just now you read.
Yeah,
You read only.
Vyajanam.
Ah,
Vyajanam.
yes.
Vyajanam, Vyajanani. Trani.
Hmm.
Shirt is Vastram.
Netram, Netrani.
Yeah, that I said. Netram, Netrani, I said.
Yutakam.
Okay. Yutakam.
Yutakam, Yutakani.
Hmm.
Patram, Parnam, Parnani.
Patram also is correct only, no? Okay. Hmm.
Patram also, right?
Yeah, Patram also leaf only. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
This is Palam Palani.
Panasa Palam.
Panasa Palam, Panasa Palani.
Yes, Savitri. You can read. You can finish this.
Alu, I don't know.
Napumsakalinga. Hmm.
Alu, first one.
Alukam.
Alukam, okay. Alukam, Alukani.
Aluke, only two are there.
Oh, sorry. Alukam, Aluke. And again, I don't know the garlic.
Lashunam.
Lashuna.
Lashune. Lashunam is garlic.
Okay. Lashunam, Lashune.
Please have all these words. Lashunam.
Then.
Okay. This is a Krida Nakam toy.
Oh, Krida Nakam.
Hmm.
Krida Nakam. Okay. Krida Nakam, Krida Nake.
Yes.
This also I can say Vyajanam.
Yes, same Vajanam only. This is.
Vyajanam, Vyajane. Patram or Pustakam. What is this?
Patram you can say. Patram is a paper.
Patram, Patre. Pustakam, Pustake.
Panjikam, Panjika. Okay, that Panjika is reading anyway. Okay, fine. Pustakam is fine. Yes.
This is.
Panjika is registered.
Basvahanam. But.
Basayanam, that was.
Lokayanam.
Lokayanam, you can say. Basayanam, you can say. Very good. Lokayanam, Lokayane.
Lokayanam, Lokayane. Vimanam, Vimane. Chatram, Chatre. This is Upanetram. Upanetram.
Upanetre. So here, next class, I think we should complete this book, this 50 pages. Okay. So we'll stop here, page number 28. Napumsakalinga. Slowly you'll see it's very good book actually for practice.
Divya.
You cannot do it in the class. It
Divya.
takes a lot of time. You can do it like this patient.
Divya.
So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha. Wish you all happy Deepavali.
Happy Diwali.
Dhanyavadaha, Sharanji. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, Sharanji.
Happy
Sharanji,
Diwali,
you
sir.
are Viveka Chudamani student, my daughter, Divya.
Oh, okay.
Hari Om, Sharanji.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Hope you enjoy the class.
Yes, sir, very much.
Though
There's a question.
many things are in Sanskritam, can follow. I try to do translation as much I can do.
Okay, sir.
But I'm more comfortable using Sanskritam rather than speaking English. I really have forgotten my English language now.
I was finding it little difficult, but
Hmm.
now it's I'm getting into the flow.
It's good. Yeah, this Viveka Chudamani, even I have not learned with Vyakyanam. This Vyakyanam I'm doing first time. Just then, generally, even in the Gurukulam, they teach only the shloka and the simple meaning. But this Vyakyanam is something very nice to read. And that too from Acharya like Sringeri Acharya. So, blessing. That's why I thought I will do that. So, if you can follow Vyakyanam, it's okay. Otherwise, meaning of the shloka, more than enough. So, that helps a lot. Yes,
Thank you,
it's-
Charanjit.
yeah.
Thank you.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Thank you. Namaste. Dhanyavada.